Today I will show to you how to use our XRF Keyray 6000. Here have one key for turn on. You can turn on the key, and the back side also have one dongle. You need to connect your dongle, and you can see the monitor in here. You need to waiting your Windows start loading, and also we can change the Windows to the English version, because this is our showroom machine, and the language is Chinese, but actually the software language is English. So the first time and each time you turn on the machine, you need to calibrate by this calibration. So first you put the calibration here, and you can see here. So here you will put in OK, and here he want to check the calibration, and they calibrate the machine. You just need to waiting for few seconds. Each time you turn on machine, you must calibrate one time, and if you turn off, then and you can use many times. Any times you turn off, turn on, you must calibrate. If no calibrate, maybe your some like the data is not correct. So we need to waiting to finish the calibration. It's very fast, just a few seconds, and is ready as soon. So you can test so many samples. For example, you can test your gold. You can test some gold in the packing. You can checking your silver. You can checking your any type of the gold. Okay, after you see this one, means your calibration is fine. So we go to checking one gold. I want to test this gold, and it's easy. Just I put here, and then you can see camera. Our machine have two way for a start to testing. One, from the monitor, you can push the play key. This is the touch screen. You can use your hand, even you can use your mouse. And they have one easy way. Here have one button. You just push this button, and check this light. When change to the orange color, means here start to analyze your gold, and you need to waiting about 60 seconds. So you need to waiting this color change to the green. After change to green, you can open it. And when the procedure start, you cannot open the door. You need to waiting the analysis finish and see the result. Even now you can see some result. For example, here you can check. This is the 24K gold, and the 99.99 is the gold inside. Without silver, without copper, without zinc, without nickel, and means is the pure 24K gold. And if you have the, for example, some item like that, you don't need to open the box or this packing. Some like you have the any type of gold, or you have the pump. You also, the pump. He put the gold in the packing, that blue packing or any packing. If you take out, maybe nobody buy. So without open packing, also you can check the gold. And any type of gold, even you can put here. Okay, you can see here. After finish, you can see the XRF data. You can see the data. Even here, you can check many of the information for your gold. So we also can check the other golds. For example, if you have some gold like this, also is easy. You can use this one and put your gold in here. And even you can see the monitor, something like this. You can testing your gold. Or if you have the silver, also the same. So we are testing now for this type of the gold. It's very easy. Just we put here, and also in camera we just fix in one area. After we close, again we push this key, and we are waiting for 60 seconds. This gold, before we are checking, is a pure gold, or this is also is a pure gold. Maybe you buy a second-hand gold. You can checking by this AELAB Keyray 6000 XRF machine, or you are the refinery, you are the gold miscellaneous, you are the gold shop, you buy wholesale retail, or you maybe you buy mix of gold, then you make to the gold bar, or you can check by this machine. And you can also come to here checking, you know, this gold is the about 20k, 80% of inside have gold, 7% is silver, 30% is copper, have zinc, have nickel. So it means it's not so pure gold. And anything, this machine can check the about 72 parameter of the gold, same like the gold, nickel, silver, palladium, a lot of, same like the iron, and many. And waiting again, you see the light is orange, as soon will be green. After change to green, we can open the door and the result is finished. And for the printing is very easy. If you want to see the data, you can push this key and you can see a lot of data for the analysis. If you want printing, just add this one, you can print. And if you want to change to the Excel to make the report to your customer, also is very easy. You can put your logo or any information, printing, make a stamp, and have the gold photo, have all of the information with the XRF data. Here's the AELAB. We are supplying a lot of machine for the laboratory equipment. If you have any testing, any analysis, or you need any solution, anytime you can contact with us. We are doing the lab about 15 years. Even, you know, this is another XRF machine. Also can checking for gold. That one is the table machine, and this is the handheld machine. Also can checking for the gold. And we have a lot of license for any of the machines, some like the CE, ISO, FCC, RH, OS, and a lot of certificate we have. You can anytime contact with us in the WhatsApp, email, or you can always check our website. We are here in China. Welcome to China. Welcome to AELAB. We are in your service.